Welcome everybody, my name is Tim Sandy and I'm a VMware Systems Engineer. In this month's enablement session, I'll provide a quick update to all the products and services related to vCloud Air. So let's go ahead and get started. As you see, vCloud Air still has three core services that are essentially the same, which are the Virtual Private Cloud or VPC, the Dedicated Cloud, and Disaster Recovery as a Service. Then you also have the vCloud Government Services, which are data centers that meet specific government standards and compliance and regulation type of standards that the government requires in order to run in the cloud. And you also see that we have object-based storage, which we will discuss later in this slide. So let's go through all the announcements and updates as they relate to vCloud Air that's happened since basically VMworld and San Francisco and Barcelona. We've made several enhancements in version 2 of our core DR as a service offering. Some of the benefits are we now provide up to 24 multi-point in time recovery. We've improved the recovery point objectives, or RPO, and the recovery time objectives, or RTOs, with significant gains in savings and efficiency. We also have added the ability to automate failover and failback functions using the vRealize orchestrator workflows, and that has been added and is one of the most widely anticipated updates by our customers in regards to functionality for the DR as a service offering. It now uses the vSphere replication appliance for both the failover and failback functions, where before it would do the original copying using the vCloud connector, and then you'd use the vSphere replication appliance. So it was kind of split between two different appliances, but now it's all done through the vSphere replication appliance. The reverse offline data transfer, or ODT, option is now available, making moving large amounts of data and VMs from vCloud Air back to your data center much quicker and easier. Before, it was only going out from your data center to vCloud Air, but now you can use the ODT option, both moving it out to and coming back from vCloud Air. Advanced networking and security brings the benefits of our on-premise network virtualization product, NSX, and its capabilities to vCloud Air. It provides granular network security and zero trust model. This makes it easy for customers to extend their existing on-premise firewalled infrastructure and its rules to vCloud Air. No more creating separate firewall rules for the two different locations. No longer are you just protecting the traffic entering and exiting your network, but also providing the ability to have firewalls internally within your network to protect between all your VMs on the inside of your network as well. Enhanced point-to-point VPN, load balancing, and many other network capabilities are provided within the advanced networking services. The new Hybrid Cloud Manager offers vSphere users a seamless option for extending their on-premise data center to vCloud Air. It's a single point of administration for vCloud Air workloads that offers hybrid networking and bidirectional workflow migration capabilities, simplifying on and off-premise resource integration and management of your workloads. Hybrid Cloud Manager is free to download, and there are two bundled packages for the enhanced migration and network extension features. These bundled packages will be the solution for the subscription services, which are vCloud Air SQL and SQL DR, and vCloud Air Object Storage. VMware is announcing a new enterprise class database as a service offering, which is stemmed from the acquisition of the company Continuant. vCloud Air SQL provides customers with an easy access to scalable cloud-hosted relational databases. This service offers managed database instances with automated administrative capabilities to free organizations to focus on their business priorities. Our second complementary offering is SQL Disaster Recovery, or DR, the first database disaster recovery solution for an on-premise databases, and it's replicated to manage cloud instances. vCloud Air SQL DR provides continuous asynchronous replication of on-premise databases to vCloud Air, which also allows customers to maintain low recovery objectives, all delivered through an easy-to-use service that provides rapid failover and failback features for your SQL databases. Another new service announced was the vCloud Air Object-Based Storage. Object-Based Storage provides instant and self-service access to storage capabilities on demand. It allows you to generate real-time intelligence from customer metadata. It eliminates the need for data protection with built-in redundancy within the service. It supports global access use cases by providing easy access from any device, anywhere, and anytime. Economics of object storage combined with the flexibility payment options delivers for a true elastic pay-as-you-go cloud storage solution. So object-based storage has the capability of going and handling up to petabytes of information and grows very easily. It's also meant for unstructured data like backups. So again, this is going to be something with the object-based storage that will be great for storing your backup jobs, as well as a lot of your newer type of data within newer type of web-based apps, and that is done through object storage. So again, it'll be very useful for that type of use case. Site Recovery Manager is a long-standing VMware product that addresses disaster recovery orchestration for on-premise private cloud environments. So this is our on-premise DR solution that helps you automate the process of your DR functions between, say, your two data centers. In contrast, Site Recovery Manager Air is a newly announced solution that will be soon available as part of the vCloud Air disaster recovery service. While both solutions share the same proven technology, they are two different solutions to address different customer needs. Again, regular Site Recovery Manager is your on-premise product for within your data center between your various data centers to do failover and DR functions, whereas SRM Air is going to be as a service that ties in to your disaster recovery service. This makes it much easier, more so than ever, to use SRM without the need to install and configure the solution in your on-premise data center. So again, because it is going to be a service within vCloud Air, you are not going to have to worry about installing and configuring it. It will be a service that is already out there. You'll have to do some minor configurations within it to set up your DR workflows, but again, it's going to save time and money because you're not going to deploy it and configure it initially. Simply, you'll just have to configure DR workloads from within SRM Air portal and manage it from there, saving you, again, time and money. In partnership with Google, vCloud Air will also be offering enterprise-ready global DNS service powered by Google Cloud DNS. This is a highly available production quality, high volume DNS service that will take advantage of Google's infrastructure for low latency worldwide. This service will not only make it simpler for customers to host their public-facing websites on vCloud Air, but it also solves an important challenge for organizations looking to move their email servers such as Microsoft Exchange to the cloud. Additionally, this service can be customized using scriptable command line interface. It also has a developer console user interface and can be used with REST APIs. The new release of VMware vCloud Director 8 for service providers enables cloud providers in the VMware vCloud Air network, or vCAN, to build differentiated cloud services that are hybrid aware and ideal for enterprise class organizations. Though simplifying the provisioning of these services, vCloud Director orchestrates the provisioning of hybrid and public cloud services as complete virtual data centers that provide virtualized compute, networking, storage, and security capabilities. The updates help service providers to drive operational efficiency and provide new capabilities for customers. So again, this is an update to vCloud Director, and again, it's for these service providers. VMware is providing new resources to have greater transparency and deeper integration within vCloud Air services. vCloud Air Networking Insight provides analytics into vCloud Air service operations through interactive metrics, event logs, and user-defined alarms for flexibility and cost optimization. The service gives information on the infrastructure, application health and platform performance, enables granularity, retention, and services monitoring, and helps optimize cloud spend by enabling high utilization of cloud infrastructure. So again, this is going to start giving you that insight into being able to monitor your servers and applications and everything that's running on vCloud Air services and give you that deeper insight into how that environment is running. vCloud Air is expanding capabilities for identity access, thus extending user management capabilities from on-premise to vCloud Air is an obvious transition to where we're going with identity access now that we are bringing in public cloud as well. This increasingly simplifies how IT controls user management using token authentication. Some added benefits include single sign-on capability, external federation from current data centers into vCloud Air by allowing users to extend the user groups and policies directed into vCloud Air, extend Active Directory into vCloud Air, simplify user management, multi-factor authentication, as well as roles-based access or RBAC controls as well. So again, you're going to be able to have one unified authentication strategy for both your on-premise data center as well as when you're using vCloud Air as well. So again, use the same Active Directory user accounts and groups, same policies, gives you single sign-on. So again, it allows you to be more secure and have one security model between both your on-premise data center and your vCloud Air instances. VMware revealed a technology preview of Project Skyscraper that you might have heard from VMworld. It's a new set of hybrid cloud capabilities for VMware vSphere that will enable customers to confidently extend their data center to the public cloud and vice versa by seamlessly operating across boundaries while providing enterprise-level security and business continuity. At VMworld, we demonstrated live workload migration with cross-cloud vMotion and content sync between on-premise and vCloud Air. We showed a video where we actually vMotioned a live running virtual machine from an on-premise data center out to vCloud Air and back. Very cool, very new, and very long-awaited technology that everybody is asking for. These features complement the Hybrid Cloud Manager that I previously mentioned. Cross-Cloud vMotion is a new technology based on vSphere vMotion that allows customers to, again, seamlessly migrate running virtual machines between on-premise and vCloud Air environments. Cross-Cloud vMotion can be used via the vSphere web client, enabling rapid adoption with minimal training because, again, your virtual admins are still using the same vSphere web client that they're used to using, so there's no learning curve. The flexibility provided by this technology gives customers the ability to securely migrate virtual machines bidirectionally without compromising machine uptime. All vMotion guarantees, of course, are maintained that we've had all along with vSphere. Content sync will allow customers to subscribe to an on-premise content library and seamlessly synchronize those VM templates, the vApps, the ISOs, and scripts within their content catalog in vCloud Air with a single click of a button. So again, you're not having, it's just less workload. It will continually keep your content library synced, less effort, makes it much easier for your admins, saving time and money again. You may have also remembered VMware released the vSphere integrated containers for on-premise environments previously. We're now announcing that we are extending the container services to vCloud Air as well. It will provide all the expected vSphere capabilities and will be compatible with all our existing tools while providing developers portable, lightweight, and fast development capabilities. So again, when you're talking about containers, this is something that typically your test dev environments are very interested in, and it's a new way of, not necessarily a new way, but it is a more newly adopted way of working with virtual machines and, again, for developers to create new applications. So this is something that's not only integrated now with vSphere on the on-premise side, but also within vCloud Air as well. We announced a technology preview for VMware Photon platform, which is a container optimized platform built for high churn workloads featured an API first model. The platform is designed for IT organizations looking to run containerized applications at scale. VMware Photon platform is purpose-built for DevOps teams building out large greenfield pools of computing capacity that solely run cloud-native applications. So again, a lot of the test dev environments doing a lot of cloud-native apps, they are very interested in this capability. So this is a technology preview that was announced as well. And finally, we're also introduced the vCloud Network Functions Virtualization, or NFV platform, which brings together the core virtualization and management components required to accelerate NFV deployments. vCloud NFV enables communication service providers, or CSPs, to deploy a unified multi-vendor and multi-function NFV platform that supports any application at all stages of the cloud evolution. The vCloud NFV platform supports more than 40 virtual network functions from 30 different VNF vendors, the most of any solution on the market. The platform enables IT to leverage existing skills and operational experience with VMware virtualization, provides a faster and smoother implementation and ongoing management of telco clouds. So again, NFV is more for those communication service providers. So it's a very select, specific type of service providers that are more based around providing communications capabilities from the cloud. So that completes all of the vCloud Air related updates for this month's session. I hope you enjoyed the session and it was informative to you. And the information, again, there was a lot of information that I had to try to squeeze into this short amount of time, but I wanted to at least go over all of the many technology previews, the updates to existing products, the new products, since there was so much that have been announced since VMworld in San Francisco and Barcelona. So again, if you need any more assistance, please feel free to reach out to us with any questions you have on any one of these. And I thank you and have a great day.